morning children, hope you all are doing good. So this class I am going to start new lesson, that is lesson number 6, measurement. Okay, already people studied about measurement in your maths first lesson. Okay, so in that they have explained all the kind of standard values. Okay, and what is it symbol indicates, okay, for the particular standard unit. So everything you have learned. Okay, so I am not going to explain that much detail, just I am going to give a rough outcome. So what are all the standard units and how they will call it as. Okay, and here you can see the standard units. If you say what is mean by standard units, see all the countries it will follow the same units. Okay, so that is called as a standard units. Also it is called as a SI units. It will be helpful to do the measurement whatever the daily activities. For example, if you want to buy a 1 kg sugar, we'll go to the shop and we'll ask to give 1 kg sugar. They will measure and they will give. Okay, so like that, if you want to buy oil or a water bottle also the backside paper you can able to see like 1 liter, 2 liter, like that they would have been mentioned that volume. Okay, so like this we'll be having a different types of standard methods. Okay, so that we are going to study in this class. Okay, the standard units for the length. For example, if I want to measure the book, okay, either I will be using a scale to measure it. Okay, so that to measure the length of the book. How we are going to measure? With the help of meter. In a scale we will be having a millimeter, centimeter. No, using those millimeter and centimeter we can able to measure the things. Okay. Not only that, even whenever you want to buy a cloth, they will measure and give in a meters. Okay. Next one is a mass. So mass is like if you want to get a such a quantity. Okay. If you want to get a more thing, so you will be always calculate in a kg. Kg is nothing but kilogram. Okay. So if I want to buy a dal, okay, they will measure and they will give. They won't give as such how much if I want, they won't give that much. Okay. If I will ask 1 kg or 2 kg, then they will measure and they will give it to us. Okay. So it is mass is measured by kilogram. Okay. Next, volume. The volume, whatever the liquid will be there, no, they will be measuring in a liters. They will be having a certain instrument. Okay, it's like a half liter, 1 liter capacity, like a 200 ml, 100 ml. So like that they will be having some containers. Okay, so they will measure and they will give oil or what milk, whatever we want to buy a milk in roadsides and all, they will come home to give a milk for cow milk. They will be having a certain container, so it will be having a particular volume in that, like half liter, 1 liter. So in that they will measure and they will give it to us. Okay, so that it is called as a liter. It will indicate L. Next, the time. We used to calculate in seconds. Okay, 1 second, 2 second. Okay, so after that it will go for a minutes. Then we will say it is a hour. Okay, so like the standard units we are following for a time, it is second. And next one we are going to see temperature. The temperature we can able to measure with degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so like whenever the water is boiling, okay, we can assume that it is 100 degree Celsius. The boiling water, the temperature it will be 100 degree Celsius. Okay, so like that we can able to measure the temperature with the help of thermometer. Okay, so whenever you will be having a fever, okay, doctor used to check how much body temperature you have with the help of thermometer. Okay, so based on that we can able to identify how much body temperature we have in our body. Okay, see what is mean by length. The length is the shortest distance between 2 points. For example, if I want to measure these 2 points, either I want to use a scale and I can write here 5 centimeter is the answer. So like that length I can able to measure. And next, mass. Mass tells us how heavy or light object it is. So for example, if I want to buy a jaggery, okay, if I put only one, I will be getting 1 kg. Okay, the sugar is having a less weight compared to a jaggery, so I will be getting a more quantity. So here the mass, so it will tell the things which one is a lighter and which one is a heavier. For example, you can buy a 1 kg of cotton, you will get more amount. Okay, the same thing you can buy 1 kg of iron. You will be getting a like small this much piece. Okay. So this mass, it will be helpful to calculate whether the things is more weight or in less weight. Okay. For that we will be using a kilogram, gram and milligram. Okay. And next one is a time. Time is not only a visible quantity. There is a gap between two events. Okay. For example, the morning to afternoon, there is a gap, no? In that time, the time it will go. Okay. The different distance between the two events, it is called as a time. Okay. And next one, we are going to see about volume. The volume is the total space occupied by an object or a thing. Okay. We can measure the volume such as liquid, milk, liquids like milk, oil, petrol, water and liquid medicines. Okay. So the whenever we are taking the syrup, okay, they will be giving a small cup like that. In the sides you can able to see they would have mentioned 2 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml. They will mention like that. This ml, it will indicates milliliter. How much milliliter syrup you have to take, so that doctor will say. So based on that we are measuring that liquid and we are taking. Okay, so like that we can measure the liquids. That is called as a volume. And here, what are the standard units we are going to follow for this? The length. Okay, 10 millimeters equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, next 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So like that we will be having a different. I am going to repeat once again. So here for length we can see 10 milliliter equal to 1 centimeter. Next 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 100 meter equal to 1 kilometer. This kilometer we can able to see whenever we will be traveling for long distance. In the sides we can able to see Bangalore 56 kilometers. So like that they will be giving the signboard and all. There you can able to see a kilometer. Here millimeter, centimeter you can able to see in your scale, children. Okay. And this meter, they will be having a very lengthy scale. So using that they will measure the cloth. Okay. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Next 100 meter equal to 1 kilometer. From home to school, how many kilometers they will ask me? Approximately it will be 2 to 3 kilometers. So like that we can able to measure the distance. And next one is the mass. So the mass is the kilogram or gram or milligram. 100 milligram equals to 1 gram. Okay. Then 10 kilogram equal to 1 quintal. Okay. And 1000 kilogram equal to 110. I am going to explain once again. 1000 milligram equal to 1 gram. See, for example, whenever you used to buy a silver and a gold, so they will be giving in a gram. Okay. And so 1000 gram equal to 1 kilogram. Okay. So if you want to buy a 1 kg of dal, okay, so that it will be equal to 1000 gram. That is equal to 1000 gram. So it is called as a 1 kilogram, or we are calling it as a 1 kg. And next 100 kilogram equal to 1 quintal. 100 kg equal to 1 quintal. Okay, like that. 1000 kg is equal to 110. Okay. In sugar factories and sugar mill factories and all will be there. No, they will how they will weigh the sugar canes. First they will take 1000 kg or 100 kg together and they will calculate as a 1 quintal, 5 quintal, 10 quintal. So like that they will measure sugar canes. Okay. And next one we are going to see time. How they are calculating the time? Here 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. Because when the 60 seconds is over, we are considering as a 1 minute, right? So likewise, 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes equals to 1 hour and 24 hours equal to 1 day. So like this we can able to calculate the timing. And next one is a volume. So volume I am going to explain. This 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter. For example, when you are getting a water bottle, okay, or else you can, whenever your mother will purchase oil bottle or oil packet, no, sunflower oil, groundnut oil, whatever it is, the backside cover you can see they would have been mentioned like this. Okay, 1000 milliliters. In bracket they have mentioned 1 liter like this. Okay, so that it will indicates the 1000 milliliter equals to 1 liter and the 1000 liter equal to 1 kiloliter. Okay, the 1000 liters equal to 1 kiloliters. So like this, there are many standard unit children. You have to go through this because it is very important. I will be asking in the interactive sessions also. So now I am going to explain more about the temperature, because the temperature you don't have in a max lesson. The temperature is an invisible quantity. Temperature is measured how hot and cold is an object it is. Okay, we can't able to see the temperature, okay, but we can feel it. For example, whenever I am boiling a milk, okay, that vessels and even the milk also, it will be in a very hot, that I can feel and touch it. So if I will leave the hot vessels like that, okay, so it will go for a cooling process, then I can able to touch and feel that vessel it become very cool. So we can't able to see the temperature, but we can able to feel it. Okay, so that how we are going to measure it. So I'm going to explain that a body at a higher temperature is hotter than a body at lower temperature. Okay, so here you can able to see there is a two different types of thermometer. So that is called as a clinical thermometer and next one it is called as a room thermometer. What is the use of clinical thermometer? See, whenever you are falling sick, you got a fever, okay, doctor used to check your temperature with the help of clinical thermometer. Okay, whenever the doctor used to keep the thermometer under your tongue or under arms, wherever it is, no, so based on your body temperature, what will happen here? Mercury will be there, children. So based on your body temperature, it will get raised up. Okay, based on your body temperature, the mercury it will get raised up. So based on that, they can able to check the temperature, how much temperature you have. Okay, so likewise, even the room temperature it will be there. This is a clinical thermometer to check your body temperature, how it is. What is the normal body temperature? So normal body temperature is a 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So normal body temperature is, if you don't have fever, okay, your temperature should be in a normal, so that is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, also they will be calculating in a Celsius, so or else it should be 37 degree Celsius. So these two are very important, children. You want to know it, what is the normal temperature of our body. Normal temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and also in degree Celsius we can able to see 37 degree Celsius. So this is our normal body temperature. It will go beyond 99 or 100, so that it indicates you have a fever. Okay, so using this instrument we can able to measure our body temperature. And next one is the room temperature. For example, I am in a certain room. The normal room temperature it will be 30 degree Celsius to 35 degree Celsius. So this will be the normal room temperature. Okay, but in foreign countries you can able to see it is like a ice frozen, it will be there. So with the help of this room temperature we can able to calculate the minus degree Celsius also. We can able to calculate the temperature of in refrigerator. What is the temperature it is having? Okay, using this room temperature we can measure the temperature in a room or wherever you want to know the temperature, how much it is. So using this you can able to measure the temperature. The normal room temperature it is 30 degree Celsius to 35 degree Celsius. So this is a normal room temperature. Okay, see, our body at the higher temperature is hotter than a body at the lower temperature. Okay, the body will be having a proper temperature. Whenever you will be having a fever, the temperature may be increased. Okay, the standard unit for temperature is degree Celsius. It is written as a degree C. Okay, the C is nothing but it is a Celsius. Next, in another unit for the temperature, it is called as a degree Fahrenheit. Okay, so it is called as a degree Fahrenheit. The F indicates the Fahrenheit. Here I have mentioned a degree. Okay, and temperature is measured with the help of thermometer. There is a two different kinds of thermometer to measure the temperature. One is a clinical thermometer and next one is a room thermometer. The room thermometer measures the temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, so it will measure the temperature in a degree Celsius. Next, clinical thermometer, it measures our body temperature in a degree Fahrenheit. Okay, it will measure the temperature in a degree Fahrenheit. Okay, the temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. So that is a normal body temperature. Okay, if the clinical thermometer shows highest reading, so that means the person is having a fever. Obviously, when the body temperature is more, that indicates you are in sick. You have got a fever. Okay. So now we'll move on for a textbook exercise, children. So you can go through the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a interactive session. Okay. Let's move on for a TB exercise. Okay. First main. So that is put a tick against the correct and cross against the wrong statement. Okay, first we have to read the statement. Based on that, we have to identify whether this statement is true or a false. The first one, length is the shortest distance between 2 points. Yes, this statement is true. So you have to put a tick mark next to 1. Okay, and the second one, milligram is used to measure very large length. No. So the meter is used to measure the large length. Next one, the gap between two events, it is called as a time. Yes, this statement is true. And the fourth one, the shortest hand of the clock shows a minute. No, it will show the hour. So this statement is false. And fifth one, the volume is in a total space occupied by an object. Yes, the statement is true. So next we will move on for a second main. So that is match the following. That is B main. You can able to see A column and B column over there. The first one is the length. So length we can able to measure with the help of meter. The first one answer you can mention next to B, number 1. Next, second one, volume. The volume we can able to measure with the help of liter. So you can mention next to E, number 2. Okay, and the third one, weight. The weight always we can able to measure in a kilograms. That is called as a kg. So next to A, you can mention number 1. Next, temperature we can able to measure in a degree. The answer is next to C. You have to mention number 4. Next, fifth one, time. Time we can able to measure with the help of second. So next to D, you have to mention number 5. Okay. So next means, so that is C. Fill in the blanks. The first one, the standard unit of length is, it is called as a meter. The first one answer is meter. M-E-T-R-E, meter. And second one, to measure very large weight and a unit is called a unit dash is used. What it is used? It is, we call it as a ton. Okay, T-O-N-N-E. Next, third one, the longer end of the clock is called dash and. So it is called as a minutes and. Next, fourth one, the temperature tells us which body is dash or a dash. So it tells us body is heat or a cold. Next is fifth one, the clinical temperature measures our body measures dash temperature. So it will helpful to measure the body temperature. B-O-D-Y, body. Okay. And next we'll move on for a next main. So that is D main. So that question and answers I am going to send it in a Moodle. So you have to refer Moodle, children. And next main we are going to see, that is a E main. Name the unit is used to measure. Okay, we are going to see next. First one, the length of your shirt. So with the help of meter, we can able to measure a length of a shirt. The first one answer is meter. Okay, and second one, the weight of some vegetables. Always we used to measure in a kilogram. So right answer, kilogram. Next, third one, the time spent watching cartoon. Will spend some minutes or an hour. So write both minutes, hour. Next, the fourth one, distance between our school and home, we used to measure with the kilometers. Okay, so next we move on for a F main. So that it is the first one, the temperature of a person. Okay, with the help of which instrument we can able to measure the temperature? With the help of thermometer. Right, first one answer is thermometer. Okay, and the second one, volume of a milk. How we can measure? So the answer is measuring the volume of milk. We can able to know how many liters it is. Okay, the answer is measuring. Okay, and third one, weight of some fruits. Okay, with the help of weighing machine, we can able to weigh the machine. So we have to write the instrument name children here. Nothing is new. Okay, the weighing machine. With the help of weighing machine, we can able to see how much kg fruits are. Okay. Next, fourth one, length of a cloth. With the help of meter rod, they will be having a meter rod. Using that, they will be measuring the cloth. The answer it is meter rod. Okay. And next one, that is G main, we are going to see. So now till here you have to copy children. Okay, I will be checking in your interactive session. Next main, so that is a G main. You have to see the image and you have to write what it is. Okay, the first one you can able to see what is that image. So it will indicate it is a beam balance. Using that we can able to measure the things. The first one answer it is beam balance. B-E-A-M, beam balance. Okay, next. Second one, this is a measuring tape. So here we have to mention measuring tape. Next, the third image, this container we used to use for to measure the liters. So this is a measuring vessels. Right, measuring vessels. Next, fourth one, so this image it is already I have showed you, so that is a thermometer. Using the thermometer we can measure the body temperature. So write over there thermometer. Okay, so that's all children. So I have given too many TB exercise, so everything you have to finish it. I will be checking in an interactive session. Use pencil and write, don't write neatly, don't make it pages as a shabby. Okay, thank you children, have a